Hello, everyone. So my success stories today is that when I was driving home from work, I decided to, part of the way, I decided to take off my glasses. I mean, I've been wearing my glasses for 37 years, and I think my diopter, whatever you call it, is like minus 375 on each side with astigmatism. I don't know how much is that. But I thought, because I saw some testimonials on YouTube last night, and this one lady, I think she was attending a conference or webinar or something, and I think she was not wearing glasses, and then how it improved just during the day or the few days. So I decided it was bright enough today, and I'm very familiar with the road. It's a very short drive, maybe half a mile or less. So I was holding my glasses in one hand and driving the other hand. I thought, oh, it's not that bad. I mean, I would never imagine doing that before, but so I did that, and a couple turns, and then I got back, parked in my spot, and as I was going to get out of the car, like I wasn't even sure whether I was wearing my glasses. Like, before I couldn't imagine not having my glasses, but I'm like, do I have my glasses on? Where are my glasses? So I definitely do feel more comfortable not wearing glasses. So thank you.